everyone, welcome to poleak&tonethvlog. So today I have a special bike to show you. This bike, it is the first lightest bike that I ever made. Before, I think the lightest that I see, it is 9 kilogram. This one only 8.7 kilogram. So let's check it out what and why this bike can build up very light. And then before I go to the bike, to the history of this bike, riding by a great rider that he can win many champion on the MTB series, and also he used to win the national championship. He is a great rider. Now he is in Kampong Chnang. Today he comes to Siem Reap for Khmer New Year on 14, 15 and 16 of April. So let's start it up together. Okay, now you see here, everyone know already DT Swiss 240. Very light and smooth. And then here you can see the Shox Seat Ultimate SL. Wow. Now it is the brake, it is the XTO 9100. And then for the handlebar, he used Senior Racing, the national brand of Cambodia. And then the stem he used Void. And then the frame, it is the carbon frame of Void, only 1.2 kilogram. Even though the seat post also from Void. Now you check on the crankset. Crankset, it is a race face carbon neck SL. Also the chain ring, it is also a race face 36 keys. And then if you check here, the drivetrain, yes, really good. The drivetrain, it is a X01, that it is light and smooth. Like you see here, jump only one. But when we go up in one time, we can go up by 5. Wow. The sound very nice. Yeah. So that's why when I touch it, I feel wow, wonderful. It's wonderful for me. So one day I can hear the live by like this for join racing. Okay, thank you for watching.